Hello guys, in this short video I will show you how you can link up your Metamask wallet with your gaganode. So you visit dashboard.gaganode.com, you log into your account, then you click on the welcome tab. After doing that, you click on bind address and get 15,000 tokens. You wait for the web page to load out, then you click on connect wallet, you click on all wallet, and then you select Metamask. After that, you sign the prompt from Metamask wallet. You click on next, then you connect your wallet to the gaganode dashboard. Then you click on bind wallet. As you can see, I have done that successfully. All it takes is few simple clicks. Good luck.